Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, May 15th. Greetings from the LA airport. I also want to thank everyone for coming by today and mentioning the video and stopping by to say hi, Jerome. Always great to see you, and Q, is nice to finally meet you and also other people. Thank you for doing that. And I'm also looking forward to seeing my mates in Melbourne this coming weekend. It'll be terrific to catch up there as well. Let's start with these stock indices, and we started out well in today's session, but we're finding sellers at those higher price levels. That's what you're seeing here in the NASDAQ market. It's a sign of lack of confidence. I'm looking for a sideways move. Asia right now is a little softer. I'm looking for a sideways move in the European session, and let's see if those buyers can come back in the US session tomorrow. In the currencies, well, the euro, if we look at that market, we can see that it also made new highs. So the euro was strengthening, but the dollar took over before the end of the session. And the result is we're seeing the euro trying to hold on, but there's no real dramatic fundamental news coming out right now. So I look for, this is bearish. It would imply weakness in this market. It would also imply a down day for the euro market. Let's move over to interest rates. I like what we're seeing here. I like the way the 10-year notes is behaving, and actually we're approaching levels that we could find buyers coming back into that market, but I'm looking for an inside day to lower for Tuesday's action. In the metals markets and gold, this also is setting up a potentially bullish level move in this market. We need to be sensitive to that. It did trade below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is $400 a contract. Magnitude change in silver is $650 a contract, and the magnitude change here in copper is $250 a contract. These are markets that want to go higher, but is there paper here to support it? That remains to be seen. And also with crude oil, I'm looking for a sideways move here. It has gotten low enough to find buyers. As you can see in Asia, it's a little softer. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. And soybeans. I mentioned to you about Susan Abbott Goodell and her book, Trading in Sync with Commodities. And in that book, in her email to me, if you remember, she mentioned that May 11th may be a significant low. Well, here's May 11th. That's Friday's action. And you can see Monday's action. I was looking for a little bit of weakness on Monday. That's not what we had. In fact, buyers came in with both hands. This is an equal and opposite, and it does imply continuation to the upside. If buyers are here, and we can see right now they are in Asia, we need to see this market closing near 1035 by the close of Tuesday. That would be ideal. So, Susan, we're going to have to monitor to see how that's happening, how it acts as that reference. And right now we're seeing that characteristic. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.